Welcome to Chapter 1 of our interactive ICT series, Globe with Meridians. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of information and communication technology, or ICT. ICT is all around us, from the phone in your hand to the cloud where your photos are stored. But what exactly does ICT mean? At its core, ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. A powerful fusion of computing, communication, and digital tools. It involves everything used to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data, making modern life faster, smarter, and more connected. Key concepts: information, processed data that has meaning. Communication, exchanging that information. Technology, tools that make it all possible. ICT is the convergence of IT and communication tools that help us capture, process, and share data electronically. Here are some everyday ICT tools you might recognize: laptops, smartphones, social media, cloud platforms, printers, and even video calls. Why ICT matters. But ICT isn't just about gadgets, it's reshaping our world. In education, ICT powers online learning, virtual classrooms, and interactive digital tools. It makes education accessible from anywhere. In business, it fuels e-commerce, digital marketing, and global teamwork. It boosts productivity and expands reach. In healthcare, ICT enables telemedicine, AI diagnostics, and smarter patient care. Governments use ICT for e-services, from tax filing to public information systems, improving transparency and access. And in everyday life, from online payments to smart homes, ICT is making life easier and more connected. So what does ICT really bring us? Benefits of ICT. Connectivity, talk to anyone, anywhere. Efficiency, get things done faster. Access, learn and explore from your phone. Jobs, new industries and careers. Globalization, the world is now a digital village. Comparison table, IT versus ICT. Wait. Is ICT just a fancy name for IT? Not quite. Quick breakdown. IT equals computers, software, storage. ICT equals IT plus communication tools, like the internet, video calls, apps. Analogy: think of IT as the engine. But ICT? ICT is the whole car, wheels, navigation, and everything that gets you moving and talking. In today's digital age, ICT isn't optional, it's essential. It's changing how we live, learn, work, and dream. Like, share, and subscribe for more ICT chapters. Drop your questions below, and let's explore the digital world together.